In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own TreeTrunk NFTs. The TreeTrunk NFT is the first implementation of the brand new EIP 4910 drafts NFT standard, which allows you to create trees of prints. That's why we call creating a new piece of art planting a tree. And we're going to show you how that works. Here I am already logged in, and you can check other videos for how to create an account. It's quite easy. Add funds, get MetaMask set up, and browse the marketplace. And this is all live right now. This is the very first few hours of the live TreeTrunk marketplace on Polygon mainnet. And here I am. I'm going to create a brand new NFT. And in this case, I'm just going to select the TreeTrunk logo. Or I'm not going to actually finish this so that I don't actually add this to the marketplace. But I'm going to add a title, logo, and I'm just going to put logo in here. But I could also add a bio, and I could about this art. I could even put in my links. And as long as you put https:// in front of it, this will work. And then I'm just going to add some tags. In this case, you just hit the space bar to add the tag. You don't have to hashtag or anything like that. NFT, TreeTrunk. And I could, in fact, add another link here in the external link. It's not explicit material, so I don't need to worry about that. And then we've moved to the really interesting screen for creating your tree. So these are called presets, and you'll see that there are you can have a big tree, which is this will generate 10 first generation prints, maximum of 4 generations. That's the maximum we allow. You could, and then the amount of royalties that you will receive from on sales or from repeat sales and from the sales of prints that are made by these prints. So if you own the original, you'll get all of the money from these the sales of the first generation of prints, and then you'll receive 10% of their reprints, the sales of their reprints, and so on. So that's how that works. In this case, you could make it even smaller. You could make a 1 of 1, which actually should look like this. That is 1 generation and 1 print. This is basically a 1 of 1. And you could set your royalties to 20%. And now that 1 print, as it's sold from one person to another, you'll receive 20% of all the sales of this first print, all of the resales of it forever on the blockchain, irrevocably and instantly. So this is one way to use TreeTrunk. You can make that 10%, or you can make a small tree of just 2 generations, 2 prints, and you can see down here 60 reprints is what you're doing with that. The biggest tree will give you 11,100 reprints. And a medium tree will give you 1,550. Whenever you change something here, so I can change this to say, well, I only want 5 first generations, but I want them to each be able to do 10, 10, 10. And there you go. So now that would be 5,550 reprints. And you can see that this automatically changed to custom. So now you go to the review page. You can see that you have terms of use, copyright license. And you hit check. Double check all your stuff, and be sure that this is all ready. You've got your bio in there. You've got your description right. Because once you complete this is going to IPFS, to the blockchain, and there's no going back. So this is all decentralized, non-custodial. And when you complete your tree, you are now on the blockchain. When you hit complete, you'll see a series of check marks that will appear that will show you the process as it's generating your prints. That process can take some time because it's writing to the blockchain and to IPFS. But once you're done, you'll have a new print or a brand new tree, just like this one, on the mainnet, and you can start selling those prints. And that's about it. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and tell your friends to go to TreeTrunk.io for the next generation in NFTs.